Well, we are finally here, Chelsea. Gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna go surfing and get some tan, and you can swim in the ocean. And Poppy can enjoy herself too, running around in the sand.
Hooray, I'm so excited, and you can finally get that huge surfboard out of my way.
Oh, you poor thing, Chelsea. Let me just get that huge surfboard out of the car. Alrighty. Wow, it's really heavy. Okay, it's out, Chelsea.
Thanks, Barbie. I can finally stretch my legs. Wow, it's really beautiful out here. I can't wait to go swimming.
I know you're really keen to go swimming, Chelsea, but first we need to get some stuff out of the boot of this car. And then we have to carry it all the way down to the ocean and find a nice shady spot. Phew, I think that's it, Chelsea. I love my car. It's got a huge boot to fit everything in. Alright, let's take it all to the beach and you can help me carry some things.
Wow, that's a lot of things to carry, Barbie. Okay, I'll help you. But remember, I'm only little, so can't carry too much weight. Oh, how beautiful! Come on, Barbie, hurry up! You gotta see the ocean. It's amazing.
I'm coming, Chelsea. Just hang on. I can't run after you and carry all those things. They're so heavy. Just wait.
Oh, hey there, little dolphin. What are you doing out here? You should be in the ocean. Okay, let me try to push you into the water, little buddy. Okay. Oh, you're kind of heavy. Oh, no, I don't think I can move you. I need to call my sister Barbie. Barbie, you gotta come with me. We gotta help a dolphin.
A dolphin?
I found a cute little dolphin. He's lying in the sand, and I think we need to push him into the water.
Oh no, Chelsea, that's no good. He can get dehydrated and get a sunburn. We really need to get him into the ocean right now. Oh, hi there, little guy. I'm Barbie. I'm gonna carry you into the ocean and you can swim back to your dolphin family. Okay, you can swim now. Bye-bye. Oh, what a cute little guy. I just love dolphins so much. But really, they should be in the ocean swimming with their friends.
Barbie, our puppy's gone. I can't see him anywhere.
Oh no!
And your surfboard, it's missing too. Maybe Puppy got washed away into the ocean.
Don't worry, Chelsea, we'll find him. We're going to take a jet ski out to the ocean and find the puppy and the surfboard too.
He's not on the surfboard. He must have jumped into the water.
Don't you worry, Chelsea. I'll dive in and look for him. Just stay here on the jet ski. Here, Chelsea. Your puppy is okay. You take him and drive that jet ski back to the beach. And wait for me there, and I'll look for the surfboard and return.
Oh, I'm so happy, Barbie. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Thank you for saving me, little dolphin. You saved my life.